So good morning and welcome back. Right, just put that battery on charge. So today I've got a different video for you. So we've just come back from Bridlington, and you might know on Facebook already we do use a DJI Osmo. The problem is we've recorded all weekend, fish and chips, hotels, walking around Brid all weekend, and what it is, my SD card fits in the side of the camera, okay, like so. And I've seen this quite often online with a lot of YouTubers, and I thought I'd do some information this afternoon when I couldn't record and see if I could recover this footage, because by accident I erased all the footage. So in today's video I'm going to see if I can recover from a card that's been formatted. So what I'm going to do is plug my SD card in, and I'm going to show you on the computer, hopefully, if I can figure it out. So here's my computer screen, right? So what I'm going to do is plug the SD card in here, okay, which reads it, and it goes to my computer screen. So I am on a MacBook, so if you open this and go to here, you've got two files. So when you open this, there's zero footage. There's no in this folder either, just some index files. But if I right click this video and get the information, you can see it is a 249.3 gigabyte and available 249.3 gigabyte. So as you can see, it is a 256 megabyte card. Well, 256 gigabyte, but as you can see, there's only 249 gig on it because of all these setup files. But this, in the DCIM, this is where all the files are. So by doing a bit of research, I went on my Google, right, and I put, how do I recover formatted SD card footage? And it came up with not that one I saw. Let me see if I can find it. It usually says Disk Drill, which has been the favourite one. So I'm doing this as you're seeing it, because I've never seen this before or heard of it.
Sorry to interrupt, love.
Yeah.
Can I just take that microphone so I can put it on charge, please?
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
So.
Have you got a brew?
Yeah, I got a brew, because this might be a long process. So downloading. I really need to know how to film a screen with audio. I'm not sure yet. I haven't got figured out to get that, because my main priority at the moment is try and save this card. So as you can see at the top corner here, we're just downloading at this moment in time. So I'll just get back onto the screen and make this level. Sorry if it's blinking a little bit, but unfortunately I can't do nothing about that. So this is it downloaded. Open this file. So we've got to drag that over there to install it. So if we open Disk Drill, you on Safari want to open it? Yes. Install now. Allow in background extensions. Yep, we'll open it. Open security. Disk Drill. That one. Use password. So we'll log in that one. So now quit and reopen. Okay. Quit and reopen. So if I open this now and reopen this. Right, okay. It's brought up this lot. So it's looking at my computer, and it's looking at my SD card, and that's the one I want, innit? My SD card. 249.9. So if I press search data, I'd want my videos. Oh no, it's scanning. So it's scanning. So what can it find? It's found 2 archives so far and 15 other files. But as you can see, it's still scanning. 0% complete, 17 files. So it's a scanning SD card, 0% complete. So it is scanning and doing its magic, but I believe this is only the free version to give you 500 megabytes, what it says online. And look, 1%. So I'll come back to you when this gets to 100%. But just remember, I'm doing this in real time, exactly as I'm doing it. So if anybody wants to know, this is exactly how you do it step by step, because you'll know how to do it quicker then. So I'll come back to you in a little bit. Just a quick update while I'm drinking my brew. It's at 4% and it's found 15 pictures, 14 files, 8 audio, 1 document, 2 archives. 83 files, 2.8 gig. I know when I formatted my card by mistake, we should have, I think it was about 100 gig. I'm not sure, or was it 60? I can't remember. But let's see what it recovers. But it's recovered something off a formatted card. I don't want to click anything because it might upset it, but we're still 5% complete. So I'm back on computer. Like I said, I'm sorry about the footage, but I haven't figured out how to do that kind of screen recording yet. So I've just been looking on their website, which is called Disk Drill. Okay, and reading this here, what is the best free software? Disk Drill is one of the best free SD card recovery tools for Windows. I'm on Mac, so it's working off Mac. And it says here, system formats, final. So I think it's free. Just looking at their website, it tells you it does deep scans, loss prevention, backup failing. So it does all that. And these are the other different companies. So it tells you Disk Drill is probably one of the best ones because it's got ticks on everything. But that's the one that we wanted. The formatted SD recovery, but they all do it, all of them, but I don't know which is best, so you've got a choice of these 5 really, but I'm only using this one today if it works. Just another quick update. It says 36.9 gig recovered, 231 files so far, 18% complete. So I figured out how to do a screen share and the microphone after all that, so a quick update. We're 90% complete, 585 files, 198.78 gig. As you can see, it's found 225 files in pictures, 219 in video files, and some audio documents. I don't know what all them are, but I'm after that folder. So I'll get back to you in a little bit. Right. So here we go. It's found 611 files in total, 231 gig. It says here at the bottom of the screen, all recovery methods complete. So if I click this videos tab, top right hand corner here, review found items. SD card, so you click left hand tab here, videos, MP4. It says here mark for recovery. So if I press recover, choose where you'd like to save them. Choose folder, I'll go in my desktop, I'll just make a new folder. It says 913 gig. I don't believe I've got enough space on my computer. But we'll have a go. Upgrade required. You are ready to recover 219 files including algorithms only allowed to our premium users. Okay, so it's not free then, is it? You have to upgrade. You need a license. Great. Upgrade to premium. It said free on website, didn't it? How much is it? £69 for year. Buy now. Activation successful. Right, let's recover them all. I'll get back to you in a minute when all these have recovered. One of 219 files. Right then, so it's discovered 213 files of 207 gig. Wow. So I've got all these files, it's recovered loads. But when we started vlogging was the 18th. If I just preview that.
You've got boxes right down here, thinking you can get across there, have you? Yeah.
It has, it's recovered them, so clearly it works, but it's only recovered from there. But I've got all the 18 files right down to the 19th, so this is where, as I remember, this is where I opened the lock on the door, and the last clip is where we started saying good morning on the next vlog. Good morning. So there we go. So clearly that works, does that software? And if I go a bit further in halfway in videos, as you can see, look, there's preview there. And this is where we went bowling. So this should play. So it has recovered the footage. So, as it states in the software, it's from there. So what I'll do is choose that file, this, that, and you have to choose each one. So I'm going to choose each file now, all the way back till the 18th. When I've done that, I'll get back to you. Right, I've chose all these files what I wanted. I've done them all right from the one from number 11th and all the 18th and a few of the 19th, because I ended up putting a new card in because we had to go buy one. So I've chose all them. So I need to recover. I'll choose another folder actually. My desktop, new folder. I'll call that 11111, and I'll create that. It's choosing to go all there. Next. And there we go, recovering them. Guess I'll see you in 9 minutes. So there we go, 292 files that are recovered, 51.79 gig. Results, which is in that 111 folder. I don't know, what's that folder? Oh, pictures and audio, I don't want that. DJI folder, videos. God, how many folders? Ah, here we go. Does that play?
Gareth,
We're in.
your boxes right down here.
Look, they're all here. Recovered. So what I'll do, I'll go back one. I will copy all that. And I'll go in my videos to edit, which I believe I've done that one. So yeah, so number one, and believe it or not, I got all these folders to edit. So number one folder, that was third SD card that we bought. That was second one we bought because that one didn't work and we had to do that. I think I only got 2 files out of it. No, didn't get any files out of it. So number one, did I get any files out of that third SD card? Yep, I did. Yeah, it's best when you're recording with a DJI on Osmo because you get an audio file and you get an audio and a video. So if you want to do a voiceover, you can have it. Oh, the mouse is going all doolally. I can go into number one and all my files should be in there. Cool. So my videos to edit into number one. That was first SD card. Lovely. This is my second SD card, which there's no in that folder, so I'm assuming they're in that folder. Yep, that's them files. And then in my third SD card for the day was them files. So there we go, a full weekend of vlogs are recovered. I just thought I'd video this so you could see it in action to see if it really works, but remember, it's we had to pay for it. It wasn't free. So I will catch you on the next one and back to the normal videos.